name is Vishwesh Sawant and I am a student of Kirloskar Institute of Management, part of batch-25. The campus over here is very beautiful and we have multiple amenities like gymnasium, library, digital library. We also have a separate reading room where students can use whenever they want. The faculty over here is also very nice and all our faculty members are well qualified. Over here at the campus, we have a mentor-mentee program where each and every student is allotted with a mentor. They make sure that each and every student gets right amount of attention, and if any student requires any help at any time, they can contact their mentor freely, whether it may be personal issue or academic issue. Over here, we also have multiple guest lectures where people from various fields come here to guide us, whether it be finance, HR, or operations. We also go for multiple industrial visits, which help us to know how things work in real life.